Can you? Can you speak English? Can you ride a bike? Can you do math in your head? Can you play tennis? Right? All of these things, we're thinking about our skills and abilities. If you're talking about skills and abilities in English, then we're going to use can and can't. For example, I can speak Japanese. Watashi wa maku desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Right? I can speak some Japanese. That's a skill I have. I can also swim. I can swim very quickly. I was on the swim team in high school, so I can swim quite well. I can also play the trombone. I played trombone in middle school. I was in the jazz band, so I can play the trombone. I can't dance. I'm a terrible dancer. Coincidence was a bad decision. I can't juggle. I can't speak Chinese. What can you do? What can't you do?